to use Vapour rub and saran wrap to have the hourglass stay here. I'm going to take you on a tutorial on how to use this tool to give you that hourglass figure. So let's dive down into the video.
Girls them a come, them a whining on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you
Thank you so much for your time. Today is a little bit of information and chit chat to you all, y'all. Thank you guys for your time. If this is your first time, consider clicking on the red button to subscribe. Guys, today I want to share with you how you can use regular Vapour rub to have flat stomach. It's very easy. In every household, I believe people have Vapour rub. Vapour rub has been used for so many centuries to treat so many things, from burns to skin cut to stuffy nose to bleeding lips and so many things out there. But little did you know that applying Vapour rub in your tummy will help you have flat tummy. Now let me tell you how you can do that overnight, and then the next morning you wake up having 4 to 6 inches off your waist. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a Vapour rub as much as you can. So this is all you need. It's going to sweat. You're going to sweat and melt down the fat in your midsection and help you to lose the weight around that area. So for me, what I suggest is that you do this before you go to bed, or before you go to gym, or before you go to work, or before your physical activities. When you do this before physical activities, it will really help to boost up the heat in this area and help to melt the fat. So guys, do this 2 or 3 times a week. But however, when you're doing this, remember to cut down on your sugar intake and your carbohydrates, and your stomach will go flat in 2 or 3 times a week. 2 or 3 times a week. So let's say you have a party to go on the weekend, next coming weekend. Start on Monday to start wrapping your stomach. These things are very inexpensive. Rub is about $2 or $3. Get yourself a strong saran wrap, which is about $3 to $5. So I'm telling you, the $5 to $6, you can have that flat stomach that you want before you go to party. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
let's have a